can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind.
Good morning, you guys. So I'm starting this vlog now because I don't want to get sidetracked. Today is hopefully my last day of work. It's the 23rd, so the day before Christmas Eve. And it's hopefully my last day of work. I'm just so exhausted, guys. But I only have to go in by 11, so I have a little bit of free time to myself. Well, not free time, I actually have a few things to submit, but then it's fine. I'm gonna quickly do those and submit, then I'm done. Then I only have this one meeting and then the report from there, then I'm done for the year. But yeah, I just got up quickly and I made myself a cup of coffee. Guys, I don't even drink coffee like that, but look at me needing this shit to jumpstart my day. But yeah, I'm quickly gonna do some work, then I'm gonna shower and head to work. I think we're gonna go do groceries later because we legit don't have groceries in this house. Where is that? We're gonna go to groceries later, do groceries later. We're still deciding. I might stop by Trader Joe's because I'm trying to decide which one I want to stop by, because I want to get the cranberry salad from there, which I really enjoy, and I want to have that on Christmas Day. And I also want to get some chicken spring rolls from there. So I'm deciding which one to go to because I'm hoping there isn't a line. Then after that I have to come back and then drop my things, and then we're gonna go to Costco. I'm not ready for that Costco battle, but anyway, I don't have a choice. So yeah, today's groceries. Tomorrow I'm legit doing last minute Christmas shopping. I ordered Yom's Christmas gift, and initially it said it was gonna arrive in time, but now it says it's only gonna arrive on a Sunday, so I'm pretty bummed about that. But I told him and he said it's, I guess, okay, but it's fine. And I need to finalize some things on our itinerary for next week. And also, and I need to call my cousin. So actually, let me get onto that. I'm just here chatting with you guys. Meanwhile, at work. Hey you guys, so I'm back. Been MIA all day, but it's okay. This vlog is gonna go up late because I'm vlogging the day of, so it is what it is right now. So we just got back from a Costco run. I'm exhausted, but I bought these in Costco. I was actually excited to see these because I've never tried them and I've always wanted to try them. Do you know what they are? They're like rice cakes. I think they're Japanese in origin. I mean, I don't know that it's the best thing getting them like not fresh, but we'll try. Can you please pass me a knife?
No.
Okay.
What kind of knife you want? Swine.
You said no.
There's a knife right here asking me to pass you a knife.
No, you said no before you even saw it.
I knew the knife was there because I
No,
put it
that's
there.
not why you said no. So keep your knife. Me and my rice cakes will be just fine without you and your knife. Okay, so this pack comes with 3 variants. One has matcha, one has taro, one has red bean. So this is the one with red bean, and I low-key think that I want to try this one first Because you know matcha is not the sweetest thing. And so I think like matcha flavor is a very difficult flavor to work with, I feel like. So I'm just gonna try these. I hope they're good. Like I've read about them. If you guys don't know, I'm actually obsessed with Asian culture. Or Japanese culture to be specific. Ooh, this is an interesting texture. It's very rubbery. I like the red bean paste on the inside. It's actually really good. This is very nice, eh? But problem is the rice cake, the rice powder casing that's encompassing it. It's very gluey.
Very what?
Gluey. And there's too much of this funny powder on the top. But the red bean paste inside is very good. But then again, I am a sucker for a red bean paste. Do I taste it? I don't know, man. Okay, it's not bad, but it's enough for today. No, it's actually not bad. I think I enjoyed it. I'm gonna attempt to make Christmas gingerbread cookies tonight. I don't have royal icing. How do I make royal icing? Icing sugar. Man, I think there's a recipe I saved on YouTube. You also put an out of office reply on my email. So tired of. It is midnight and I'm in the kitchen because I want to bake some cookies for Christmas and I don't have time tomorrow. So I'm here doing it now. How smart this is, I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna try it. I'm just making a little bit and I think that if I get it right now, it'll be easier for me tomorrow or on Christmas Day to really like double this recipe. So yeah, late night baking. So I have I'm whispering because everyone in the house is asleep, but over here I have some like powdered sugar, like icing sugar, flour, some butter that I'm gonna use, some vanilla extract and some salt, and I have an egg somewhere in this kitchen. So my butter is supposed to be soft, but it's not really very soft. It's not hard butter, it's just it melts softly, I'll say that.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Much later.
Guys, how on earth did I get here, guys? I am up at past 1 a.m. supposedly baking cookies. I have 5 biscuits that I don't think I even properly well done. Oh my word, they're like bread. How did I get here, guys? Oh my god, you know what, let me even switch this up. Okay. I think I must just laugh at myself at this point, because what a fail. Okay, listen. Guys. This is actually ridiculously stupid that I stayed up so late to make. I probably should have not stayed up to make these because I messed my batter up. Okay, hold on guys, let me show you. Guys, how sad looking are those? I mean, at least the shape is there, but they feel like bread, not like biscuits. And they're only 5. How? How did I get here? Hey guys, so I have now officially conceded that my baking was a fail. I am gonna throw in the towel and do the honorable thing, which is stop baking and go to bed, child. It is it's almost 2 a.m. and I still have to edit this vlog and put it up for y'all to watch. Would you guys forgive me if I skipped a day and was like a day late, meaning that the last day would go up on Christmas Day, that last vlog would go up on Christmas Day? And I say this because I'm just really tired, and please forgive me guys. I mean, it's pretty much the next day already, so I'll just skip a day, and then day 11 will go out on Thursday, and day 12 will go out on Christmas Day, and then we're done. I apologize, y'all can sue me, but these cookies have finished me, guys. I don't know, they look like bread and I haven't even tasted them yet. But anyway, it's fine. I'll try again. I don't know when, because I just don't have time to bake cookies again for Christmas. We shall survive on these 5, guys. But right now, I am off to bed. I'll put this vlog up when I wake up in the morning. Yeah. See you guys.